Hello guys, today I've got Motorola Moto G22 and I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working. At first, you need to open your phone settings. Now open network and internet. Disable Bluetooth, disable Wi-Fi and enable Wi-Fi. Now try to connect to any network. It should work now. If it doesn't work, you need to tap on any Wi-Fi network here that you're connected to, of course. Here forget, and then tap on your network back again and connect back again. This should fix your issue. If it didn't fix your issue, we need to go deeper. Restart your router and your phone. Hold the power button right here, restart, and you need to power off your router by clicking the power button or unplugging it completely from the power outlet. So, after all this process, you should be able to use your Wi-Fi. If you still aren't able to use your Wi-Fi, you need to go even deeper. So, how to do that? What to do? You need to, of course, wait a moment because my phone is not turned on. So, you need to open your phone settings and here find airplane mode in network and internet section. Enable it, wait 30 seconds and then disable it. Take a look if you can use Wi-Fi. If you can use Wi-Fi, you don't need to do nothing, of course. But if you can't use Wi-Fi still, you need to scroll all the way down here and tap System. Tap Reset Options, and here I've got Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth. Tap it and confirm it by tapping Reset Settings. Everything should be done now. If it is not, you need to contact the device support to have it fixed. Goodbye!